vultures eating dead things, and the king vulture is no different. Now when these birds are eating off of those carcasses in the wild, they're actually smart enough to displace other vultures at a super high rate of speed, and she is going to have to pass through 2 small windows in this round part of our stage to get to Shandon, who is waiting for her in the bleachers. All right, I want to just give what Oscar, our bird, said in the very beginning. Please keep your arms down, don't stand up, don't try to catch the bird, and I think we are ready for Phoenix, the Harris hawk. All right. Now watch her as she comes in. The Andean condor is the largest species of condor in the entire world. And just like the grab that snake right behind the head, so that he knows he's not going to get bitten right back by that snake before he can enjoy a tasty treat. These birds are omnivores, so that does mean that they can eat a very wide variety, and I would like to watch for quite literally anything. All right, well, let's hear it for not only Abe, but our volunteer, Mike. Thank you so much.
Oh, there it is, way up there.
All right. So as Nick comes down, keep an eye on her, keep an eye on that pond, and watch this beautiful hunting video.